Ever pondered why there seem to be more ants around you lately? It's not just your imagination playing tricks. There's been a noticeable upswing in the ant population, a trend that's garnered attention and curiosity. From bustling cities to tranquil countryside, ants seem to be everywhere these days. An ant here, an ant there might not seem like much, but when you consider that for every human on Earth, there are 1 million ants, the numbers become staggering. We're talking about a population large enough to rival the stars in our galaxy. And it's not just their numbers that are intriguing, it's their persistence, their resilience, and their uncanny ability to adapt to a wide range of environments that make them a fascinating subject of study. So what's really behind this ant boom? Let's delve deeper. You might be surprised to learn that the surge in ants isn't just a simple coincidence. This spike in the ant population is a complex puzzle with pieces that include climate change, habitat disturbance, and a decline in natural predators. Let's start with climate change. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns disturb natural ecosystems. Ants, being highly adaptable, are quick to exploit these changes. They thrive in warmer climates, and with the globe heating up, it's like we've rolled out the red carpet for them. Next, we have human activities. Urban development, agriculture, deforestation, all these contribute to habitat disturbance. When we alter landscapes, we disrupt ecosystems and often inadvertently create perfect conditions for ants to multiply. Their colonies expand into spaces that were previously uninhabitable. Lastly, the decline in natural predators. Ants have numerous predators like spiders, birds, and other insects. But with the decrease in biodiversity, due to factors like pollution and habitat loss, the number of these predators has dwindled, leaving ants with fewer threats to their survival. In all this, it's clear that the rise in the ant population isn't happening in isolation. It's a direct result of broader environmental changes, many of which we have a hand in. Indeed, it seems our actions coupled with natural phenomena are turning the tables in favor of our tiny friends. But what does this mean for our ecosystem? Well, let's dive into that. Ants play a vital role in our environment. Like tiny, tireless farmers, they till the soil, allowing water and oxygen to reach plant roots. This process, known as soil aeration, is crucial for the health of plants. On top of that, ants are nature's cleanup crew. They are decomposers, breaking down organic material and returning nutrients to the soil. You know those fallen leaves in your backyard? Ants help break them down and recycle them into the earth, completing the circle of life. However, like anything in excess, an overpopulation of ants could potentially cause problems. They could disrupt the balance of other insect populations and even impact plant life. Also, certain ant species can damage infrastructure like homes and sidewalks. Thus, the rise in ant population is a two-edged sword, beneficial but potentially problematic. So, we've uncovered quite a bit about our ant companions, haven't we? We've shed light on the fascinating growth of the ant populace in America. We've delved into the whys of this expansion, touching upon climate, human activity, and other factors. And we've also explored the ripple effect this has on our ecosystem. Ants, as it turns out, are not just tiny creatures scurrying about, they're integral to our world. Next time you see an ant, remember, they're part of a larger story, one where we all have a role to play.